Hi everyone! Welcome back to ESL Easy English. Today, we're diving into one of the most common, but often confusing English grammar topics. The present perfect tense. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to form it, why we use it, and what a past participle is. Let's get started. What is the present perfect tense? The present perfect tense is made with have or has, plus the past participle of the verb. The present perfect tense connects past actions to the present moment. We build it with have or has, plus a special verb form called the past participle. You'll hear me say things like, I have eaten, or she has visited. Defining past participle. Past participle equals a special verb form. For regular verbs, we just add ed. For irregular verbs, the form is unique. A past participle is the form of the verb we use after have or has. For regular verbs, just add ed. Jumped, walked, danced. For irregular verbs, you have to memorize each one. Eat, eaten, see, seen. Got it! Great! Next. How to form the present perfect. Here's the formula. I, you, we, they plus have plus past participle he, she, it plus has plus past participle. For example, I have walked to school. She has eaten lunch already. When to use the present perfect. We use the present perfect in three main situations. Experience, no time given. Results in the present. Actions from the past to now. For, since. Experience, no time given. I have visited Paris. We don't mention when, just the experience. Results in the present. She has lost her keys. Right now, she can't find them. Actions from past to now, with for or since. I have lived here for 5 years. He has worked at that company since 2020. He started then and still works there. Present perfect versus simple past. Present perfect. No specific time in the past, but it shows an effect on the present. Simple past, specific time in the past. Now, how is this different from the simple past? Present perfect doesn't mention when. It emphasizes that the action still matters now. I have eaten breakfast. Result, I'm not hungry. Simple past tells exactly when an action happened. I ate breakfast at 7 a.m. We know the time. Always ask yourself, Does the action connect to right now? If yes, use present perfect. Here are two clear examples. Experience. I have read that book. Present result. She has broken her phone. Her phone is broken right now. Experience. No time. I have read that book. We focus on having read it, not when. Result in the present. She has broken her phone. Her phone is broken right now. Both use have and has plus past participle to link past actions to the present. Let's practice. They visit Japan 3 times. Visited. He finished his report yesterday. Finished. Notice that in the second sentence, we use simple past because we mention yesterday. Good job! Recap and closing. Present perfect, have and has, plus past participle. Use for experience, present results, for, since. Simple past, specific time in the past. I hope you have a better understanding of present perfect tense now. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more grammar tips, and leave a comment with an example sentence using the present perfect tense. And please let us know what your biggest grammar problem is. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and leave a comment. See you next time, and happy studying!